PROLIM PLM.
Hello, and welcome to PROLIM PLM Snack Bite series. Today's video is about the value of Teamcenter, both why it is needed and what it can do for your company. My name is Chris Mers, and I'm an application engineer with PROLIM PLM. So let's take a look at how Teamcenter can improve your business and quickly provide you a return on your investment. To begin, let's discuss how the right size PDM can really drive growth within your business. We believe implementing Teamcenter at your company can increase your work efficiency by over 20%. Now, I know this is a bold claim, but we have seen this efficiency gain at other companies through reclaiming what we call non-value added time. This is the time that engineers and others at your company are already wasting each and every day on trivial tasks, such as searching emails for assignments, or searching the server for the latest file, or maybe even walking down the hall to check on the status of an engineering change request. Implementing Teamcenter as your PDM and PLM solution helps you to recuperate this wasted time and therefore increase the efficiency of your employees. Next, we believe Teamcenter will increase the productivity of your users via its user-intuitive interface. The Teamcenter interface is designed to mimic the Microsoft Office Windows feel so that users can become familiar and comfortable with its use quickly and without additional training. Teamcenter also integrates with all of the major CAD softwares as well as Microsoft Office and many other products so that your users can remain in one familiar interface while participating in a single-sourced managed environment. Finally, choosing Teamcenter as the right data and lifecycle management system for your company can accelerate the return on your investment. Teamcenter is designed as a scalable platform so that we can get you up and running quickly with a single source of product information to optimize your resources and take advantage of those increased efficiencies and productivity. So now let's talk about the data. Like all companies, you undoubtedly have many different types of data surrounding your products and processes that you are managing in one form or another today. This ranges from CAD files which engineers are creating, to project schedules in Excel or other formats, to even design specifications, work instructions, and other documentation. Now, you may simply be using folders on a server with permissions, but this does not effectively manage your data. We often find that our customers today have multiple different locations in which each different type of data is stored. And this is what we refer to as islands of information. That is to say that the information that surrounds our products are segregated and isolated from one another. What these islands of information lead to is a problem I am sure you are familiar with, and that is that it takes incredibly too much time and effort to find the information, file, or piece of data we are looking for. Each and every day we lose time searching for information in multiple locations, and then when we find that information, we can only hope that it is accurate and up to date. Teamcenter provides us with a single source of product data to eliminate these issues. So if we take a look at how companies today are still managing their data, we see that an overwhelming majority still utilize a file server and therefore experience some of the pain that I just mentioned. In addition, we see a high percentage also utilize some form of local storage as well. Now, often this data stored on a local desktop is simply a copy of the information that's on the server. So let's say an engineer wants to make a change to a CAD file. He may download a copy from the server, make the necessary changes, and then upload his finished work. But what happens if he forgets to upload his changes? Or if another engineer needs access to that same file at the same time? All of a sudden, we have multiple copies of the same file spread throughout our company, and it now takes work to determine which one is correct and should be used moving forward. Once again, this wastes valuable time and money for our companies. Now, there are some systems out there which we refer to as single integrated PDM, and these are usually found built into some of the CAD software packages. But what these do is merely manage the data being produced within that CAD system. Now, this does offer some benefit, but you are still keeping islands of information in different locations and unable to manage all of the associated information with your CAD files in one single source. This is where Teamcenter, as a complete PLM system, can help your company by providing that single source of product information that allows us to quickly and easily access all of our data. And we can see from this chart that an overwhelming majority of our customers, such as yourself, still need this today. So if we investigate these common issues farther, we find that research shows searching for information is one of the biggest performance losses at companies today. A McKinsey report found that each and every employee spends roughly 2 hours of his or her day searching for information. This could mean searching an email for an assignment, searching the server for a file, etc. But it is clear that searching and accessing our information is one of the biggest efficiency losses at our company. In terms of personnel, what this really means is that if you had a team of 5 individuals, you're simply paying that 5th person to search and gather information. Teamcenter, as a single source of product data and a full PLM system, can reduce the time that it takes to find information and reduce the time wasted by streamlining your processes and automating them with the software. This gives you that 5th person's time back in increased efficiencies and increased productivity. Next, let's talk about change. And with our products, we know that change is inevitable. The challenge we face is understanding the impact that making a change has on all of the different types of information. For example, if we're going to create a new revision to a CAD part, we need to ensure that all of the associated assemblies, manufacturing information, simulations, and other documentation are updated to reflect those changes. As you can imagine, this leads to a complex web of interconnected information. And at most companies, this is a challenge to deconstruct that web and figure out what parts need to be changed in conjunction. Teamcenter can simplify this web for your company so that we can quickly and easily identify the impacts that our changes make. With Teamcenter, we can also automate and streamline the change approval process, as well as other workflows at our company to allow the software to perform work for us. So if you're unfamiliar with Teamcenter, as I mentioned earlier, it is a complete product lifecycle management portfolio with a diverse set of solution modules to meet your company's growing needs. The foundational piece, which I referred to today, is comprised of the document and design management, as well as your product bill of materials and the powerful workflows that automate and streamline your company processes. As your needs grow, however, Teamcenter has additional modules that can further increase the return on your investment, such as supplier collaboration, sustainability, cost management, many modules available to you to grow as your company and needs grow. As your solution partner, PROLIM PLM is here to help identify the right Teamcenter deployment to best maximize your company's efficiency and deliver the maximum return on your investment. So to highlight the key features of Teamcenter, it truly is that right-sized PDM solution to not only fit your needs and address the issues you have today, but also those in the future. Teamcenter is a full-featured PLM solution that integrates with all of the major CAD systems, ERP systems, Microsoft Office, and many other softwares to streamline your work and provide users with a comfortable interface. It is also flexible and scalable, as it can be configured to best meet and automate established practices within your company. Finally, it is fast, not only in its streamlined search and processes, but also in its setup. As your solution partner, PROLIM is here to get your environment up and running quickly, so you start alleviating some of those issues that I mentioned and realizing that return on your investment as soon as possible. Teamcenter truly can improve efficiency at your company, reduce your overall costs, and provide a secure and reliable single source of product information. So with that, I thank you for your time and hope that you have a great day. PROLIM PLM.